Today we're going to begin our science unit on rocks. We're going to be learning about how rocks are non-living things, rocks are natural resources, and we're also going to learn about how we can classify rocks. Rocks are non-living things because they do not grow, they do not need air, they do not need food, and they do not need water. Natural resources are from the earth and people can use them. Rocks are natural resources. Some ways that we see rocks every day are in roads. We also see them in sidewalks. Sidewalks are made from cement, and cement is made from crushed rocks. Other ways that we see rocks every day or use them is in buildings. Some buildings are made from bricks. We also see rocks in art. Art can be a statue, and most statues are made from rock. Some ways that we classify rocks are by size. We can classify them as big or small. We can also classify them by texture. So you can classify them as rough or smooth. You can also classify them by color. So they could either be gray, white, black, or many other colors, whatever rock color you have.
And wondered how it came to be? The story begins about 4.5 billion years ago as gas and dust come together to form the rocks that make up our planet. Created from elements forged far off in a galaxy, rocks really are the stuff of stars. And so are we. Rocks and the minerals they're made of tell us the story of our planet. Look closely. Atoms are the building blocks of all matter. Combined, atoms form molecules. Minerals are made up of billions of molecules, which are often arranged in crystal structures. Minerals can crystallize from semi-molten rock called magma. When magma cools and solidifies, it forms igneous rocks, one of the three main rock types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Granite is an intrusive igneous rock, commonly found on the Earth's continents. It has large crystals because it cools slowly, deep below the Earth's surface. When a volcano erupts, lava cools quickly to form small crystals, creating extrusive igneous rock, like basalt. Basalt makes up much of the ocean floor, and also most of the moon. Over time, rocks are broken down by weathering effects, like water, wind, heat, or ice. Small fragments, known as sediments, wash into lakes, rivers, and the sea. Here, layers of sediments compact and cement together over millions of years to form sedimentary rocks, like sandstone. Limestone is another kind of sedimentary rock. It can form from the remains of marine organisms or from chemical reactions within sediments. Fossils in limestone are an amazing record of the past, revealing clues to changes of climate and the extinction of life forms throughout the Earth's history. Did you know the ground beneath your feet is constantly moving? Continents and oceanic crust are pushing, pulling, and sliding in a process known as plate tectonics. This heats and squeezes rocks, changing their form. Minerals realign or recrystallize to form metamorphic rocks. Slate, used in roof tiles, and marble are examples of metamorphic rocks originally laid down as shale and limestone. The way rocks and minerals change gives us a guide to their origin. A rock's size and shape, and the colour and arrangement of its minerals, help geologists distinguish between different types of rocks. Many layers of rocks create a section, like this. With practice, you can read a rock section like the pages of a history book that goes back billions of years, almost to the beginning of the Earth's history.